Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to make for you a pork roast, and I have all the trimmings to go with it. And we're going to be cooking that in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. If you don't have a Power Pressure Cooker XL, no problem. You can cook yours in the stove or on top of the stove. Either way, the recipe is the same, okay? Alright, so let me get started and show you what we're working with, okay? And by the way, the pork roast costs $8.99 and it has a bone in the middle. I cut around that bone and cut it in half because you know the rule. If it's over $5, I need to make 2 meals out of that for a family of 4, okay? Alright, so let's get started. Let me show you what I did, okay? Thanks for hanging around. I really appreciate that. Hit that thumbs up button if you like it. I think you know you're going to like it, so just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Check out my links below to see if you would like to support this channel in any way. Comment to me to let me know if you want me to do something for you, okay? And I'll be sure to get back to you. You know I do, okay? Okay. I'm ready to get started. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the pork roast that I cut in half. I'll show you the right here on the top here. Let me show you. This is the bone. I cut right along that bone. Okay, so I have the other half, and this is the half that we're going to be using, and this is enough for a family of 4, okay? Okay, so let's get started. Let me wipe my hands, sorry. Okay, so let's put our seasonings on right away, okay? So and let me also introduce you to everything that we're going to be using. So this is lemon pepper. I want to cook with fruit today. So that's lemon pepper seasoning. And this is Cajun seasoning, a little spice for the life. Okay, if you don't like spice, leave the Cajun off. This is something new I found. Sassoon everything seasoning. And let me tell you, oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. It has everything in it. Garlic, onions, cilantro, you name it. It has everything in it. It is so, so good. You got to try this. So lately I've been buying my seasonings at Job Lot. And Job Lot had this. This is, was 8 ounces. And it was $2.99. Okay? Sassoon everything seasoning. Now you know I normally use the Sassoon that's in a package, right? So this is the similar, except it has everything else in it. Alright, all the vegetables, okay? And we're going to be using adobo, alright? In addition to that, red peppers. This is 2 red peppers cut up. Let me show you that. This is 3 large carrots, very large carrots, diced. 2 large onions. Okay, I just cut them in bigger pieces. Parsley, I just washed and cut up. And 4 white potatoes. Okay, and we're also going to be using apple juice. You heard me, apple juice. Okay, so we're going to be cooking with some apple juice and some vinegar with all of the items that I have just named off to you. Okay, let's start with our seasoning. That's the Sassoon I showed you. This is the lemon pepper. see I'm putting it on pretty heavy. This is the Cajun. And adobo. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it and do the sides. I want to get the seasoning on everything. Okay, in the bottom, same process, same seasonings. Now, if you don't like my seasonings, you feel free to use whatever seasonings you like, because you know what you like. Okay, and this last side. Okay, so all the seasonings have been applied, and the excess seasoning that you see on the bottom of the plate here, I'm just going to put that right in the pot so that we don't lose nothing. Okay, now I want to get our insert. This is the insert to the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and we're going to be using apple juice to cook with. So I'm going to open this. And let's see. Okay, so this is a half a gallon, which is 64 fluid ounces, and I'm going to use half. That's about half. Okay, so I used 32 ounces of apple juice, okay? But don't get hung up into that, just put the apple juice in. Okay, now the vinegar. Excuse me, I'm trying to clear my throat. Let's pour about maybe 1/4 cup of vinegar. Okay, and I want to put some garlic in there. I'm using my garlic paste. I showed you how to make this. If you missed that, you can go over and check my video that teaches you how to make garlic paste and onion paste. Okay, I'm putting a heaping teaspoon. You can see that. A little more. Okay, that's a full heaping teaspoon in there. Okay, so now I want to put the roast in first. So I'm putting the roast in. And I want to put my seasoning that was on the plate in. Alright, now I want to make sure that my garlic is broken up so that it gets all over that pork. Alright, now I'm just going to add everything else, okay? So I'm going to add the onions. Peppers. Carrots. Potatoes. Parsley. Okay, so I have everything in there that I need in there. So now, let me just turn your attention to the pressure cooker. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I have everything in there. I'm going to put the top on it. And I'm going to lock it down, and we're going to cook that for 45 minutes. And I'll see you in 45 minutes. Oh, I got 50. That's okay. I'll see you in 50. Thank you. Okay, guys. So our pork is done. And we're going to, I'm going to take the insert out so that we can see what's going on. Oh, that's hot. That's hot, Rachel. There we go. Okay, guys, now I'm going to turn your attention over here so you can see. One second. Okay, guys, so let's take our pork out. And now, remember I told you it was a bone in the middle, right? So I'm going to cut this meat off the bone. Okay? So let's see how we're going to get that done. Oh, where's my knives? Look how much that yield. This is a half of a roast pork. Okay? Now you know we have our vegetables and everything right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I want to put, and we cooked it in applesauce. Not applesauce, apple juice. So I want to thicken up the apple juice with a little gravy. So I'm putting my frying pan on the stove, and now I want to just pour some of the broth into the frying pan from the pot. Can you see? No, you can't see. You cannot see. Better. So I'm going to pour some of the broth into the frying pan. And now I'm gonna, let me let you see down in here. See? That's the vegetables and stuff, okay? So I'm gonna add some gravy to this. Some turkey gravy, okay? Some of my carrots and potatoes went in. I'm just gonna pick those out because I don't want to mash them. So Nia, are you watching me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I cooked this pork stew, right? So now I poured the broth off the stew into the frying pan, and I'm going to thicken this broth with gravy. Now you know this broth is made with apple juice.
Really?
Yes.
So you're going to season the, so you already seasoned the pork?
Yes, I already seasoned the pork, but I'm going to thicken this with the gravy, and then we're going to retaste this and see what we're missing, right? Because this is the opportunity to add more seasoning, okay? So would you like to taste it now before the gravy?
Sure.
So you can see. And then I'm going to taste. You want to go on camera?
Sure, Grandma.
Okay. Hey guys, I got Nia here. She's going to go on camera with a taste test. 1 second. Okay, Nia's tasting the broth that has the gravy in it. Let them know what you think, Nia.
Wow, it's very sweet. I like that.
It's sweet? You want some more Cajun seasoning in it? It's sweet because of the apple juice.
Yeah, I think it's some more seasoning.
Okay, so what seasoning you want? Cajun?
Yeah.
Okay, get the Cajun seasoning. I'm going to stand over here while you doctor it up. Go ahead.
How much?
Go ahead. Shake it in. Today.
Hold on. Let me put it on the holes. I don't want to.
No, you need to put it on the open end.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Go ahead. Get as much as you want. You know how you like it.
I think that's good enough.
Okay, so you're going to use the whisk and stir that up. Okay, guys, I finally got her over here in the kitchen. Would you believe it? Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the camera back on the food now, okay? 1 second. Okay, guys, so we taste it. It tastes good. It's sweet because we cooked it in apple juice. And Nia put some Cajun seasoning in it, which gave it a little kick. Some more Cajun seasoning. I had some in there. Now, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients from the pot. Oh boy, guys, look at that. So, you know, we have the gravy in here. Pork roast with onions, carrots, potatoes, parsley, red peppers. We're just going to bring that up to temp. Once that comes up to a boil, we're done. So let me give you the word of the day. And then I'll let you see me taste it, and we're good. One second. Okay, guys, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is keep you and your family safe in these hard times with the sickness going around nationwide, okay? And don't go broke because you might need your money. That's the word of the day. All right, so let me take a taste of the pork roast stew. I just renamed it pork roast stew. Okay. All right, I have the pork, the vegetables, and the potatoes. Oh, wow. You imagine that? Pork roast stew cooked in apple juice. Oh, awesome. With the Cajun seasoning on that to give it a little kick. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.